Want to claim up to 10,000 USDT as a newcomer bonus on MEXC? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating your account to completing KYC step by step, and show you how to use referral code MEXC bonus 888 to unlock rewards. MEXC is one of the world's fastest growing crypto exchanges, trusted by millions of users worldwide. It offers spot, futures, staking, and many trading tools, with strong security and exclusive promotions for new users. Here's why you should register with referral code MEXC bonus 888 and complete KYC today. Unlock newcomer bonuses up to 10,000 USD, raise your deposit and withdrawal limits. Get access to fiat deposits and withdrawals. Protect your account with full verification and enjoy advanced trading features. Here's how to create your MEXC account. Click the sign up link in the description. Go to the MEXC website or app and click register. Enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. Enter referral code MEXC bonus 888 in the referral field. Agree to the terms and privacy policy. Verify your email or SMS with the code sent to you. That's it. Your MEXC account is now active. Next, let's complete KYC verification. Log in and go to your profile gives identity verification. For primary KYC, enter your personal details like full name, date of birth, and nationality. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, both front and back. For advanced KYC, complete the facial recognition step or liveness check. If required, provide proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Submit your documents and wait. Primary KYC usually takes less than 24 hours, while advanced may take up to 48 hours. Once approved, your withdrawal limits increase significantly and all features are unlocked. As a newcomer, you can claim up to 10,000 USDT in rewards by completing KYC, depositing funds, and meeting simple trading requirements. Remember, these bonuses are limited-time offers, so claim them early to avoid missing out. Without referral code MEXC bonus 888, you'll miss out on the biggest bonus rewards. Without KYC, your account stays limited, lower withdrawal caps, and fewer features. With both, you unlock the full MEXC experience. Make sure your ID photos are clear, valid, and not expired. If your KYC is rejected, check the feedback, correct the issue, and resubmit. Don't wait. Click the sign up link in the description, register with referral code MEXC bonus 888, and complete your KYC today. This is your chance to claim newcomer bonuses up to 10,000 USDT and start trading smarter on MEXC. Thanks for watching this MEXC sign up tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Your crypto journey starts now. See you on MEXC with referral code MEXC bonus 888.